May be tempting to leave your snowblower like this after a heavy wet snow. Got rain afterwards. Let's go see what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. If you leave your snowblower like that's even lazier than I am. That's bad. Look at that. Okay, we got to get that out of there. It's going to get in the 20s for a couple of days, and then it's get up in the 40s. That stuff's going to melt and make a mess in your garage. Not to mention, if we get more snow, that's going to turn into ice. And then you really got major problems. So let's get that cleaned out. First thing we're going to do, disconnect that spark plug wire. We don't need no accidental startups. So spark plug's disconnected. It's all the way down. We can even pull the key out just to make sure. So let's go get that cleaned out. All right, it's all cleaned out. You can see down inside there, all the snow's gone. Get all that snow out of there. Look back there. Make sure all that snow out of there. So check this hose. Make sure all the snow from behind there is gone. Get all that out of there. Now the next time when you go to use it, it won't be iced up and froze up. Your snow blower, thank you. Have a good day.